Testing of Hyundai HGN12 air circuit breakers. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the ACB with the help of the UVT. Then we perform a short time delay test, and the breaker trips instantly. And finally, we perform a long time delay test, and the breaker trips after about 15 seconds. The same process is repeated for the second air circuit breaker. It is now clear that both air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.